Good morning, friends. We are up at sunrise again. Seriously, waking up on Long Canyon Road is like waking up in your very own national park.
I'm Shalane. This is Dean, and we are GrassRoots Living.
About to see the world in action, what we can be.
Hi, friends. We are so glad that you are with us again today. We are taking you to the most epic free campsite, like boondocking site, like ever.
It really is.
Yeah.
You know, first of all, we want to thank our friends, Amy and Caleb. I think that was maybe a couple episodes ago. We introduced you to them. They told us about this place. They said it's like a national park in the beauty of it. Yeah. And they were right. It is incredible.
Yeah, the whole time we were there, we literally felt like we were camping in a national park, but it was almost like our own national park. There were so few people there, and we just had free reign of the most incredible canyon and scenery that you could imagine.
Yeah. Now, the location of it, from Moab, Utah, you would head towards Arches and actually go past Arches just a mile or two, and you'll see Highway 313, and you'll take that about 17 miles as if you're going to Dead Horse Point State Park.
Yeah, that was a beautiful drive, and we will have some footage on that highway on the next episode, I think.
Yeah. And as you start to approach it, I want to say you're maybe 4 miles from the entrance to Dead Horse Point. There's a road that kind of just turns, a gravel road that turns to the left. It's called Long Canyon Road. Now, we were going to use it as a staging point because it's so close to Arches National Park, Canyonlands National Park,
Dead Horse
Point. And then we headed off down that gravel road. And I want you to imagine 3 to 6 inch speed bumps every, 2 to 3 feet for about a mile. Well, about a half mile for sure.
We have some footage of that. Here, let us show that to you right now. Here's some footage of those speed bumps. So you can see he went to the right to try to avoid the worst, and you really can't get the depth of these things on the camera, of course. But it's bad on both sides. But it took us 20 minutes? Is that what it took us? 20 minutes to go 2 miles?
Yeah.
Now, mind you, on this Travel Small, Live Big series, in this series, we're traveling in a tiny little Ford Fiesta, right? Ford Fiesta. Right. So, we don't have a lot of clearance. We don't, if we were in our truck, and a lot of people that were in their trucks, took that quite a bit faster. But we're trying not to beat up our little tiny baby car. So yeah, it took us 20 minutes to go 2 miles.
So needless to say, we did not use that as a staging area.
Right.
But when we got there, we were so glad we got there.
Yeah.
Because it is amazing.
We almost turned around, but we didn't. So we stayed there for a couple days, and gorgeous. So before we do anything else, I want to share with you guys the sunrises. We took some footage of we stayed there 2 nights, so we have 2 sunrises, and they were so miraculous. And I took so much footage, and I won't bore you with all of it. But if you will,
I don't think you could get bored with it. It's that incredible.
Yeah. If you will indulge me, I prepared a little sunrise video for you. So if you think, woman, that's boring, and I don't want to watch it, you can just skip it. Boop. But otherwise, enjoy this beautiful Long Canyon sunrise video.
Over the hill. It's all the things you do, and all the things I do. Close your eyes, hear the birds singing. Take your time, I'll be here.
Okay, so we hope that you enjoyed that little sunrise video, and if you skipped it, boop, and you just got over to us right now, thanks for staying with us. Now, let's tell you a little bit about the campground itself. So if you get a chance to go there, you'll know what to expect besides the terrible road.
Yeah. Now, we didn't actually go through and count every single campsite, but you'll find in the neighborhood of maybe 20 different spots.
So not a ton of people there, and the people that were there were using it as a staging ground, because you could tell they left and came back and left and came back, and they were just mostly like backpackers. And there were actually quite a few four-wheelers out there, because there's some really great four-wheeling trails out there. Do you guys hear the wind? We did tell you we're in an undisclosed location, right? It's not always been this windy, but we'll bring you with us here in a couple weeks. What are we talking about?
We were talking about the fact that it's not a very crowded area.
Right.
It is free, and that's what's the most remarkable thing to me about it. The fact that we have this whole area to enjoy.
Right.
And the canyon, I mean, getting there early in the morning and listening to the birds fly across the canyon and echoing
It would
off,
echo off
echo.
the canyon walls.
It was cool.
Yeah. You guys want to see where we had lunch? So here's the one problem, is that even though it was gorgeous, it's not in a pine forest or anything like that, right? You're in these like red rock kind of cool canyon. Some of it was red rock. Anyway, so not a ton of trees, not a ton of shade. So let us show you what we did when we had to prepare our meals. This is what that looked like.
All right. So like I said, this is our off day. Now down in Moab today, it's, I want to say 92 degrees down in the valley. It's a little cooler up here, but not much. So we're trying to find shade so we can have a little lunch. Let's show you what we have set up.
Hello.
Here
You
we
see in
go.
our funny little dining room slash kitchen slash, I don't know. But
Here's-
it's in the shade.
Yep.
So
There's one of the tall trees right there. All 7 foot of it.
yeah.
Well, let's have lunch. All right.
Yeah.
So we're about ready to have this fabulous lunch. Go
Gourmet.
ahead and zoom in on that.
Yeah, no, it's gourmet for sure.
Yeah, we've got some natural turkey breasts, fresh spinach. We've got some mayonnaise, whole wheat buns. So the secret weapon is this: cheese flavored potato chips.
Not sponsored.
You simply smash them up a little bit, and you get that good, rich cheese flavor coming right on that turkey sandwich. Nothing like it. Nothing like it.
All right, you guys, it's been a great non-travel day. It's time for dinner. What are you making down there?
It's a chicken Alfredo
Yeah, pretty good.
on our BioLite again.
Yeah, our favorite tool, the BioLite. If you guys haven't seen a video about the BioLite, we'll go ahead and link it up here so you can check it out. It's one of our very favorite, you know what, I think it is our favorite toy.
Yeah, favorite camping supply.
How would you rate your kitchen setup?
You know what? It's in the shade. 100%.
Pretty good view out there too.
Beautiful world out there. It's a beautiful world out there. Oh, it's a beautiful world out there.
just don't pass on the dead. If you have the will and a moment to spare, it's a beautiful world out there. It's a beautiful world out there. Oh, if you have the will and a moment to spare, it's a beautiful world out there. It's a beautiful world out there.
So, meal prep. It was hot. We made it work. But it was so fun and so beautiful and so amazing. And if you are looking for a boondocking site out in that southern Utah area so that you can go to Arches and Canyonlands, as long as you've got a decent truck, you can use it as a staging ground like other people did. We just didn't want to because of our tiny little car. So we hope that you've enjoyed this video today, and come back next week and we'll tell you where we are then. Where are we going? Oh, should we make it a secret?
Yeah,
because I know it'll be a secret. Every week will be a secret, and it's fun, and we're excited to take you with us. So until then, this is Grassroots Living, reminding you to get down to the grassroots of what makes you happy and live your love.
We're thinking of you. We'll catch you next time.
Peace out. Ask me what I'm doing.
Hey, babe.
What?
What are you doing over there?
I'm just sitting in the shade of the tree.
Really? Could you turn around and look at the camera for a second?
What?
What are those white things on your ears?
They're my socks.
You wear your socks on your ears. Is there?
They were like gnats and no-see-ums and stuff getting in my ears.
So the gnats and no-see-ums were getting in your ears, so you thought your best option was to put your socks on your ears.
They were still clean.
Okay. All right. Just checking.
It's working.
This is what we do on the days when we don't travel.
Yeah. Improvising. Yowing, 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 yowing. I should do all my filming like I'm just casually on my, like doing like this, but then pull my skin back. Give myself a little facelift. Just sitting here casually. Babe, we forgot to tell them to subscribe again.
You know, we love it when people come by and come by our channel and subscribe. It really helps the algorithms for YouTube to really go out and, you know, enable us to be able to.
I just meant for you to say please subscribe. Give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below. We'll see you next time.